Hello, teacher. Dialogue. Cristina. Hello, Camila. How are you? Cristina. Hi, Cristina. I am fine. And you? Cristina. Very well. Thank God. Camila. I am glad much. Cristina. Sorry to bother you. I need to ask you a question. Camila. Well, what's up? Cristina, I've got a problem with my computer. I know you are very good at operating systems, and I thought you could help me. Camila, I see it. What's the matter? Cristina, my computer suddenly is off. I failed my workshop that I had ready for print out 1 day ago. Camila, first you should back up on your computer in order to make sure your files. Cristina, okay, I will take it into account is agents that it work. Camila, okay, I will check it out and I will the youth about it. Anything else I can help you? Cristina, yes, I have a file in my cell phone that I can open if for some reason. Camila, what file is it? Cristina, it's a file on web page which I've been working on my cell phone. I had to finish it by tomorrow. Camila, do you think your cell phone has any virus? Cristina, no, I don't think so. Camila, okay. I am not sure what is wrong, but if it's possible, send it to me by an email, and I'll see if I can wait it on. Cristina, well, I do it right now. Thank you very much. Camila, with pleasure. I'll be telling you all I can. Cristina. Bye. Camila, bye. Thank you, teacher.